Aries, we're finishing We're finishing off the reading today with you, Aries. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, and your final channel song for the day is Aries. Jesus Christ, Aries. I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you would show me, all the special things you feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what you tell me. You never leave me, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. Now I done been the kind of girl like a done see all, and none of them ain't like you. And I done see the best of the best, baby, still I ain't impressed, cause none of them are like you. And if you know how I feel when I'm always with you, then I gotta be seen like you. And baby, that's the way I feel. I got no choice but for me to keep it real. Cause when we girls together started hanging out, you was skeptical at first, trying to figure out if I was the kind of guy to try to dog you out. But I ain't the kind of guy they try to make me out. You found out when you turned to my baby. I showed them other bitches how to treat a real G. I let you drive when I ride that Mercedes, and I ain't even tripping, I can shade it. Cause baby, you know I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you wish. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what you tell me. You never leave me, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. Oh, gotta be like you. Oh, gotta be Aries. He gotta be like you. Oh, if he's not protecting me like an Aries, if he's not jealous, or he's not thinking to my head, I hope she's not saying hi to another today. If you're not thinking that about me, then Aries, do you really want me? Cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. So I'm guessing you're a security guard, Aries. You work in security. I'm also getting that I should hurry up and go into your reading now because it is 7:46 and I have to go. Listen, just because I'm homeless, it doesn't mean I'm not busy. I am busy, okay? Figuring out a way how to not be homeless. Ha! Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Aries, I ain't never had nobody show me all the things. Aries, the Emperor. A long time I don't date a Aries, man. God, it's been years since I've dated a Aries. Usually Aries too fiery for me though. I'm the boring one. Me the Taurus, me the bull. Me the boring gal. No man no want no boring gal. Me can't fuck boring gal. Taurus, she can't skin out, cause she a body broker. Renee, 6:30, your body broker. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into your reading. But Aries are usually very nice, very attentive, and usually they're very passionate in the bedroom. What's the overall message? The Ace of Pentacles, okay. So I'm getting, you're going to be getting something though. Cause they ain't even had nobody show them all the things that you, and show them all the special things you feel when you hold me. They gon' always be together, baby, that's what you tell him, and never leave him. Cause they ain't never had nobody do them like you. Oh, Sierra did not know that Russell could do her better than Future. Okay, I'm joking. Yeah. Okay, I just want to clear the rumors up. If they do not have one of these, our chakras were never aligned together. I never synced my root chakra, sacral chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and crown chakra with them. If they do not have one of these, I never claim them. I never try to fantasize about them, okay? I'm getting Ace of Pentacles, so that is what you're gonna get. Because apparently somebody has never had none like how you do it. What's your love? Your love is a Knight of Pentacles. I'm guessing you've been waiting for a very long time. So I'm getting something is building up. I'm getting you're gonna get the first payment. I'm getting the first payment. I'm getting the initial thing, you're gonna get a payment. You see, after you get that payment, you're gonna get a lump sum of reoccurring payments. So I'm getting you're gonna get your first pay. I'm getting something like this has been built, some are built up for 3 years now, okay? What's your career and money? We have the High Priestess. I'm getting you're a tarot reader, you're an occultist. Maybe that's why your love is the Knight of Pentacles. I'm getting your love has been your work. It has been focusing on your craft. So I'm getting whatever this is going to finally pay off. I don't know if you're a reader, you're an occultist, you're probably somebody right wing, left wing. I'm getting it to pay off. I'm getting a contract. Or I'm getting, again, somebody never had it read like you read it. I'm getting the way how you read someone's like you. You're gonna be my personal reader. Or something like that. I'm getting you never have, I'm getting, I don't know, I'm getting when somebody around you, it's like them can see a life for you. You don't have to make certain decisions, you don't have to worry about certain things because I'm getting the High Priestess already see it already. What's your health? Your health is the Page of Pentacles. I'm getting your health is really good. You eat really healthy. A lot of vegetables and fresh fruit or things like that. Oh my God, everything just fell. Damn. I come in. Wait. You have to remember I'm homeless, so I don't have a lot of space. Okay, what's your home life? The angel, yeah, I'm getting when you have the High Priestess around, you don't have to think about nothing. I'm also getting, you're saying to the High Priestess, I want you to watch over this boy for me. I'll give you money for watch over this boy. It's not a boy, it's Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles can be anywhere between 21 and 29. I'm getting somebody's asking you if you could watch over this boy, maybe mentor him. Maybe this book, I'm getting that gentleman you want to learn for read tarot. The more you teach him. Because Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and he has the pentacle in his hand. I'm getting more to learn how to read tarot. Or more to learn about the occulticness. It could be a Sagittarius, the angel. I'm getting someone is going to pay you for you to be around them. The more you be around them, make decisions for them. Somebody gonna pay you for follow them around, okay? And be their advisor. The High Priestess. I'm getting that is a career money. You believe that somebody is a career, make good. I'm getting you believe that somebody can aid your career and them know where the money is, them know good business decisions to make. That's why you want them. And I'm getting when you do well at work, you go home and you feel so much better. So I'm getting the, I don't know. I'm getting it's like you have this little High Priestess I walk around with. She and your girlfriend. There's nothing romantic, but I'm getting is basically she navigate your life. This little High Priestess I walk around with you. Who is that? Is that your daughter? Is that your girlfriend? And you're just like, no. And nobody don't know who this woman is to you, but I'm getting every decision you make, you do this to her. And you're not telling nobody how you find her. You're not telling nobody who she is. You just had this to her and say, okay, and the man in the room and look and you're like, why am I talking to this little, how old is this woman? Can we just talk? Sagittarius, I'm getting a teacher Sagittarius so for read tarot, or I'm getting you and the Sagittarius is going to be paired together. The closest to the occult is either a Scorpio, a Sagittarius, or a Capricorn. You can't even say the Hierophant too, but I'm getting, yeah, this is a Sagittarius. Sagittarius are the angel. Yeah, you're going to be with a Sagittarius. Are you going to teach them how to read? Or I'm getting, you're going to be, I'm getting you and Sagittarius are supposed to be paired, okay? Bright future, maybe there's a formula, there's a combination of you guys' energy that can create something beautiful, okay? We have the Fool card, we have the Strength card, and we have Libra. Okay, so yeah, we have Sagittarius and we have Libra. Or I'm getting something is going to be split right down the middle. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.